Welcome to the world of flexographic printing. United Engravers is proud to sponsor this program. Let's now take you on a tour of the state-of-the-art production facility of CTS Industries, located in Cedartown, Georgia, USA. Since 1981, CTS has built an international reputation as the premium supplier of Analox rollers to the flexo industry and is considered the leader in quality products. CTS's trademarked Talion and Ultiflow laser-engraved ceramic Analox rollers have provided years of reliable service in flexo facilities throughout the world. CTS Industries manufactures custom and Analox rollers according to each customer's specifications, as well as maintaining off-the-shelf supplies with rollers for fast delivery. Our exclusive large inventory includes Mark Andy, Webtron, Allied Gear, Comco, and many other OEM brands in both laser-engraved ceramic and mechanically engraved chrome. From raw steel to the final engraving, CTS has always concentrated on efficiency through innovative technology. This focus has produced an advanced product at very competitive prices. Our quality, price, delivery, and service are an unbeatable combination. Millions of dollars worth of the finest equipment and technology are now located in an ultra-modern 53,000 square foot facility designed and built specifically for the production of top-quality Analox rollers. The process begins with the finest X-rayed material. Experienced technicians monitor every step as it is cut and machined in a painstakingly documented computer-controlled system. Quality control inspections ensure precision, with tolerances measurable to a level of 5 microns. Each mechanically engraved roller is chrome-plated to produce a durable hard surface, which dramatically increases wearability and corrosion resistance. Our patented plasma process produces our space-age ceramic roll coatings. This unique process allows us to produce ceramic rolls with a hardness second only to diamonds. In the diamond grinding area, these rollers are highly polished, a step that is enhanced several more times with honing and superfinishing. Again, our process is unique and greatly increases the durability of the rollers because we use diamond-based materials. Special tools have been created in-house, which are one of a kind and are a major reason we have had such a major and dramatic impact within the flexo industry. CTS Industries use an exclusive process control system and auditing procedure, which carefully monitors 32 ceramic and 13 engraving qualifications for 100% quality control. We use our part sheet analysis as a thumbprint of your Analox roller. This analysis is the actual ink testing swatch, which is measured on your Analox roller that is then printed on a serialized document with your roller specifications. Production Assurance Roll Test Analysis is what we call our PART, part sheet analysis. Let's take a look at this process. The customer's engraving specifications is fed into our state-of-the-art computer system. The computer then calculates the correct pulse length of laser beam penetration into the ceramic surface. A laser engraving or test burn is run and scoped for accuracy. Only with the laser technician's approval will the engraving begin. When engraving and superfinishing is completed, the roll surface is coated with a measured amount of ink. The ink is then metered across the engraving with a doctor blade. A strip of film is pressed on top of the ink-filled cells and is transferred. The film is then scanned into CTS Industries' part computer system. The computer is told how much ink we used and what screen count and volume was requested in the customer specifications. The part system calculates the volume in BCM. The laser technician then serializes or identifies your Analox roller. All the customer specification information and the Analox roller's identification tag and ink swatch are printed on a document which is stored with the Analox roller and our records. This means our part sheet analysis will assure your consistency each and every time, time after time. This is an exclusive system developed for CTS Industries. Lasers with power ratings of up to 1,500 watts are housed in a dust-free, temperature-controlled environment. This means error-free quality control. The purpose of this video is to show the press operator the correct way to handle, clean, and store laser-engraved ceramic and mechanically engraved chrome Analox rollers. The press operator will also learn what signs to look for on a worn or damaged Analox roller, and ways to prevent or minimize these signs from occurring. We begin by removing the Analox roller from the press. Carefully remove the doctor blade assembly from the Analox where applicable, ensuring the blade does not touch the Analox roller. When all obstacles have been cleared, remove the Analox roller either by hand or hoist, making sure the roller does not collide with any part of the press or surrounding obstacles. The ceramic on the Analox is comparable to concrete and has a thickness of 0.007. This means an impact of the ceramic against any object may cause the ceramic to chip, which could damage the engraving. Next, place the Analox roller in a sturdy fixed stand or rack. Use the recommended cleaning solvent and allow it to set for several minutes. Begin cleanup by wiping down the roller on ends and journals to remove any excess ink. This also aids in viewing the vendor's name, manufacturing number, screen count, and volume for easy identification. When the Analox roller needs cleaning, CTS Industries recommends that the press operator follow the press manufacturer's procedure for cleaning the ink metering system at that time as well. Scrub the ceramic Analox roller with a stainless steel brush in a circular motion, as if you were waxing your car. This will cause the solvent to penetrate the ink more efficiently, while the agitation effect will lift the ink from the cell for easier removal. A strong word of caution: only use a stainless steel brush to clean ceramic-coated rollers. Brass brushes will break off and can become embedded in the cells, which will contaminate the ink, plug the engraving, scratch the printing plate, and show up on the substrate. Chrome rollers, on the other hand, can accept only brass brushes, as stainless steel will score or scratch the chrome plating. After a thorough cleaning, use clean solvent to remove any surface residue. Afterwards, pour rubbing alcohol over the Analox roller and wipe off. This process will absorb any moisture left in the cells. There are several alternatives of cleaning an Analox roller other than CTS Industries' preferred method. The most popular alternative cleaning methods are baking soda cleaning units, plastic media cleaning units, and ultrasonic cleaning units. Printers seem pleased with all of these processes. Although we are seeing more of the baking soda and plastic media being used, more printers are looking at alternative solutions such as the heated water cleaning units. We caution against the use of high pressure in any unit, which could destroy the integrity of the cell. Please check with your Analox roller cleaning system's instruction booklet for the acceptable PSI cleaning levels, especially for the finer screens used in process printing. Before the Analox roller is removed from the cleaning area, we strongly suggest that a cover is used when transporting the roller to provide protection from those unavoidable bumps or dings that can happen on the way to storage. Proper storage should include putting the roller on a sturdy rack and away from high traffic areas. Using a label or tag identifying the engraving particulars makes selection much easier as well. Laser-engraved ceramic Analox rollers are very expensive and should not be treated like a ball-peen hammer. Imagine receiving a 2-week payday and then setting the check on fire. It's money up in flames, and a ruined Analox roller is no different. Worn and damaged Analox rollers. We are going to show you some samples of Analox rollers with problem signs and unfortunately are commonly seen in the industry. These are commonly called score lines or striations on the analox roller. These marks can be caused from many situations. Dried ink fragments trapped in the nip of the doctor blade. No ink in the ink pan for lubrication causing the roller to run dry. Worn doctor blade. Uneven pressure. Foreign debris trapped between the analox roller and the doctor blade or hard Durameter rubber roller. All this can be alleviated by proper press care and documentation. Treating the press as if it were your own will command higher performance from all the integral parts. Improper cleaning. This is a perfect example of dried ink that resulted from the operator only cleaning the top and sides of the roller, allowing the ink to pool at the bottom of the roll. Water-based ink and concrete have a lot in common. Once it's on there, it's going to take more than a brush to get it out. Remember, when the analox roller is in the press, it should always remain turning in a full ink pad in order to stay completely wet at all times. However, constantly turning analox rollers in a press 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and 30 days a month will not keep an analox roller clean either. Proper care to take the time once a week to clean the analox roller before putting it back in the press will assist in the life of the engraving. Ultraviolet ink or UV ink will cure by daylight over time as well. Proper care to keep the analox rollers clean should be treated in the same manner as if running water-based ink. Impact damage. This happens in a number of ways, but commonly occurs when a tool or machine part falls into a running press. Unfortunately, it doesn't stop there because this usually causes a chain reaction with the printing plate, rubber roller, impression cylinder, and web. In general, it causes a real crash to the system. Other impact damage, such as dropping the roller, hitting it with the ink pen or doctor blade assembly, or bumping the roller while in transit contributes to this problem as well. Ink buildup. A real enemy of the analox, rubber roller, gears, and printing plate. As ink accumulates in the press, it dries, then builds on itself as more ink is deposited in the ink pan area. This dried ink buildup will then break off into small pieces. These particles find their way through the press and can become lodged in the nip of the analox and doctor blade system. As the roller rotates, the ink particle remains stationary, builds up friction, and wears a groove in the roller. This also happens in a two-roll metering system where a trapped ink particle rotates in the same location and scores either rubber roller and analox roller, rendering both useless for laying down solids, tints, or where solid coverage is needed. Bottom line, keep the ink pan and surrounding area clean. A good way to find out if your analox roller is plugged with dried ink is to look at it with the naked eye. If the engraving on the analox roller is black and shiny, the engraving cells are plugged with ink and need to be cleaned. A clean analox roller will be the color of brown to gray and will have a dull finish. Take care of the analox roller, and you will save your company valuable time and money. CTS Industries is a world leader in ceramic and chrome analox rollers for the flexo industry. What sets us apart is our focus on the customer and our demand for unparalleled quality in all our products. Our technology-experienced technicians and state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is designed for one thing, and that's providing the highest quality products with the best customer service and on-time delivery. We understand the flexo industry and our customers' needs. Our experienced and highly qualified customer support staff awaits your call. Our toll-free number is 1-800-334-7117. Our website, www.ctsindustries.com, has more information such as maintenance suggestions. A complete listing of worldwide offices is also available for your convenience on our website. Let us hear from you. Remember, all first-time orders are backed by an unconditional 30-day guarantee. Quality, price, service, and delivery. CTS Industries is your source for Analox rollers.